Hey everyone, welcome back to Bright Minds Academy's YouTube channel. And in today's lesson, we're going to talk about BEDMAS, which is one of the most important rules in math. BEDMAS helps us solve expressions in the correct order so that everyone gets the same answer. If you don't follow this order, we can end up with completely different results. BEDMAS stands for bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This tells us the exact order we should follow when solving any mathematical expression. The key idea is that we do not solve from left to right randomly, but we follow the specific order step by step. Let's start with bracket. Brackets always come first, which means anything inside the bracket must be solved before anything else in the expression. For example, in the expression bracket 2 plus 3 bracket times 4, we first solve what is inside the bracket. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then we multiply 5 by 4 outside the bracket to get 20. Next is exponents. After solving brackets, we look for powers. For example, in 2 raised to power 2 plus 3, we first calculate the exponents. 2 squared equals 4, and then we add 3 to get 7. After that comes the division and multiplication. These two are at the same level, which means we solve them from left to right. For example,
12 divided by 3 times 2.
We first divide 12 by 3 to get 4, and then multiply 4 by 2 to get 8. We do not multiply first just because multiplication comes before division in the word BEDMAS. Next is the addition and subtraction, which also have the same priority. Again, we solve from left to right. For example, in 10 minus 3 plus 2, we first subtract 3 from 10 to get 7, and then add 2 to get 9. Now, let's try a full example using BEDMAS. Consider the expression 6 plus 2 times bracket 3 plus 1 raised to power 2. Step 1 is to solve the brackets. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Step 2 is to solve the exponent. 4 squared equals 16. Step 3 is multiplication. 2 times 16 equals 32. Step 4 is addition. 6 plus 32 equals 38. So the final answer is 38. A common mistake students make is not following the correct order. For example, if you solve left to right without BEDMAS, you might get the wrong answer. That's why it is very important to always follow the order. Brackets first, then exponents, then division and multiplication from left to right. And finally, addition, subtraction from left to right. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you understand BEDMAS better, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs help with math. If you need extra help for any subject, for any grade, please contact us on our email address given below. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy and eat healthy.